It's jumper weather again, and this is one of my favourites. But have you ever done this to one of your favourite jumpers? Even though the label on the back says machine washable, you've popped in the washing machine on a wool cycle, but it's shrunk. This might sort it. In a bowl of lukewarm water, you want a really good squirt of hair conditioner, and then fold up your jumper and just lay it on the water. Let it soak in itself. Mine took nearly an hour. And then after about 15 minutes, transfer it to a bowl of clean water to rinse it. And then I just lifted mine onto the drainer to press out excess moisture. I then moved it over onto a huge beach towel and carefully pulled it into its original place. So I stretched it down, even the sleeves, and then rolled it up in that towel to mop up the excess moisture, left it 10 minutes, unrolled it, and then laid it on a dry towel to dry flat, and it's now beautiful.